Hello, I'm Walter. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a volcano eruption experiment. You will need a volcano model, some dishwashing liquid, some food coloring, 2 cups of water, a spoon, some citric acid, and some baking soda. First, you will need to put 3 spoons of baking soda inside 1 cup. Some dishwashing liquid inside. Then mix it. Then use another cup to put in some citric acid. Also 3 spoons. And add some drop of food coloring. If you want to make it more red, it's okay. Then mix it. Then after that, we can play the volcano. First, add in 1 cup of liquid. And then the second cup. It's starting. And when you touch it, it's very cool. Not like lava, it's very cold, not hot. Similar to the volcano experiment, we are going to make the icy bomb. Wow! First, we will need some citric acid and baking soda and a cup of water. This time we will need a pipe to suck up water and suck it inside the bag. And you will need 2 big plastic bags and 2 small ones to make 2 bombs. First, open the little bag and use the spoon to also got 3/4 or more for a spoon of citric acid inside. If you want to make a big explosion, you can add up to 5. And then use the pipe to suck up water into a small bag. 8 times. And then close the back. Then shake to make the citric acid melt inside. Then open the back. Take a big bag and put inside the baking soda. And then also put inside some water. Six, 7, 8. If you want to add more in the next batch, you can do it. Close it, then shake. Crazily. And then put inside this small bag and make sure to open it. And put it upside down. Inside. Explode. It is very cool. It's nice to do this in the summer. Thank you for watching my video. Goodbye.